Hey, school trains in Montreal. I just got here. And this is the CSX train heading westbound here at Dorval at around 4 o'clock p.m. Sunday afternoon, the 5th of June, 2022. Yeah, the CN tracks are a little bit lower, so you don't see much of the wheels and whatever. But I came here for CP, although I'll probably see more CN trains. Now this train is a daily train. This is what this proves to me, because I've seen it on Saturday, Fridays, every day pretty much. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Coteau Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.